Do you want to make new relationships, make new friends, and have a great time simply living here and having this amazing opportunities to meet people from all over the world? Well, if you are one of those people, then you have to join the website called friendfin.com. Here you will simply be able to upload photos of yours, simply contact people from all over the world, meet new people, and simply make new friends. You know, you can do all kind of audio calls or video calls, so basically you can do whatever you want to do. You can write essays about yourself, tell the world what you like and what you want to do in your life, and maybe find the people that are like you. That's the main reason why friendfin.com is for you. So if you want to be one of those people who have friends from all over the world, and at the same time those people are totally sure that their information is safe or anything like that. So if you want to be one of those people, simply go to friendfin.com and have a great day.